In front of me is Motorola Moto E7 Plus, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick System and open Advanced Options. Now just reach Developer Mode, Developer Options. If you cannot find Developer Mode under the settings, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock Developer Mode. Then just scroll down a bit, and here you will notice System Demo Mode. Mark it and smoothly enable it by tapping on the switcher. Then you can click on Show Demo Mode again to activate it, and that's it. So basically that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.